In our residential area, there are tons of plastic waste such as groceries plastic bag, plastic water bottles and also plastic food container. United Nations state that by 2030, human population will increase up to 8.5 billions. That means we need more production of plastic water bottle that will be thrown somewhere on earth, such as landfill and also the seas. Did you know plastic took around 450 years to decompose in landfill? This will worsen our sea ecosystem, which is the main source of our food and water. Therefore, here we are presenting our ideas on how to ensure sustainable consumption and also production patterns.
Humans are responsible for producing 300 million tons of plastic each year, and only half of it is only used once and then discarded away. Within the 300 millions of plastic used, only a small fraction of it ended up in a recycling plant. Plastic may be one of the most versatile material on the planet, but it's also the worst pollutant for our ecosystem. Studies estimate over 8 million tons of plastic are dumped into the ocean every year, and once it's entered an environment, it never truly goes away, because it is estimated as most nearly indestructible. It can take over hundreds or even thousands of years to fully decompose. It is evident that we have entered the age of plastic. There is reason for concern and also grave. However, there is still hope for salvation. And through science and engineering, we can overcome the situation and also revert the problem.
So our engineering solution is by recycling the plastic bottle into the shoes. So how we can do it? We can do it. The steps are, first we choose the clear plastic bottle, and then the plastic top and the label are removed via steam before being put into the shredding machine. The flakes are then being put on a conveyor belt and once again being cleaned. The shredded flakes are then dried and broken down even more to make perfectly shaped plastic pellets. The pellets are then being melted down and extracted through tiny holes that turn them into the filaments. The fibers are then spun into a thread, which is then woven to make a fabric.
Okay, now let me show you how the non-engineering solution is. First, you can use a reusable plastic bottle. If you happen to come across a plastic bottle with Mark II on it, you can reuse it as long as it is washed or not damaged. This type of plastic is low risk for chemical leaching. In this way, you can reduce the usage of plastic bottles. Second, you can recycle plastic bottles by transforming into planting pots. Plastic pots and containers are excellent choice for moisture-loving plants or for those who are less than regular with irrigation. They are made in variety color and are usually made from plastic bottle, often recycled. Sum it up, recycling is a small step by human to save the environment, but this small step is very effective in the long run. Also, before throwing away the waste, we should check if there is a recyclable product in it or not. That's all from us. Thank you.